All right, so the one thing that Nexis Uni does that we don't really have in another database that I like is their company dossier, and it's actually kind of buried. It used to be more prominent, but I think they're trying to highlight some other things. If you go down to this Discover Topics and click on Business, and then there's a link to the company dossier on the left-hand column. Um, and you can just at the above search a company too. What I like with the dossier that I've actually used in a few classes in the business department is some of the financial numbers and pieces that come up. So I'll put in Thor Industries here, point out something local. And what I like with this, what's unique with this is the business source, Premier, Complete, whatever, whichever EBSCO one we have, that can give you industry reports, that can give you company reports, but doesn't give you the financial numbers. And we have other resources that can give you the news. This one tries to give you all those things, but what's most important with this is the financial overview piece here, which provides I'll let it load here to kind of show the particulars. Um, there's some ratios and some annual figures and that are listed, and they're not things that come up. Um, Unfortunately, they're not things that are like in Yahoo Finance or some of these like free open web finance tools. But pieces, especially the ratio analysis, is found to be extremely helpful. Some of these pieces here that students are using, um, as well as some of the other assets and liability information. But you can see here you have the past 3 years. You have a lot of balance numbers that are available. And this is what I have found would be most helpful. So if they can give it to us in another, if Hein can find it, or if we have another resource that has it, I'm all for it. Thanks.